Students, today we are going to learn one more problem in relation to the profit and loss appropriation account. In this problem, we are going to learn calculation of commission. When commission is given, we should be careful about that. Yes, look at the problem. Richard and Rizwan started business on 1st January 2018 with a capital of 3 lakh and 2 lakh respectively. According to the partnership deed, interest on capital is to be provided 6% per annum. Rizwan is to get a salary of 50,000 per annum. Richard is to get commission, 10% commission on profit after charging such commission. After charging, here commission is given not in rupees but in percentage. Okay. Profit sharing ratio between two partners 3:2. During the year, the firm earned a profit of rupees 3 lakh. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st December 2018. I said profit and loss appropriation account start with the credit side with the net profit. Here during the year the firm earned a net profit of 3 lakh. Interest on capital is to be provided 6% per annum. 2. Interest on capital at 6% per annum payable to both the partners, namely Richard and Rizwan. The method of capital not given, so we can assume this one as capitals are maintaining under fluctuating capital method, so we can write Richard capital, Rizwan capital. 6% per annum. We should calculate on capital. So 3 lakh. Richard contributed 3 lakh. So 3 lakh into 6%, 18,000. Then Rizwan contributed 2 lakh. On 2 lakh, 6% is 12,000. Total 30,000. Interest on capital calculation over. Then Rizwan to get a salary of 50,000 per annum. Two partner salary payable only to Rizwan. Rizwan capital value 50,000 given, we can write in the outer column. Okay. Then Richard is to get 10% commission on profit after charging such commission. Here the commission payable only to the Richard. So partner commission given in percentage payable only to the Richard. Richard capital. We have to calculate. Then the profit sharing ratio 3:1. Okay, now we will close this. We'll close profit and loss appropriation account. Credit side always heavier than debit side. So 3 lakh minus 80,000. Partner commission I am going to calculate for Richard. 3 lakh minus 80,000. Balance we have 2 lakh 20,000. The commission given in percentage. 10% after charging such commission. When we calculate commission, we should be very careful about the words. Here after is given. If after is given, the formula is rate by 100 plus rate. Sometime before is given. For that formula, rate by 100. Here since after is given, so we can use 10 by 100 plus 10. So we can use 10 by 110. So 2 lakh 20 into 10 by 110. We will get 20,000 commission. Okay. Next 3 lakh minus 1 lakh. So balance 2 lakh is the balance of profit transferred to partners capital account. Partners capital account. It should be divided in agreed ratio payable to Richard capital and Rizwan capital. So 2 lakh into ratio given in the question 3:2. So 3:2, which means 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. So 3 by 5, 2 by 5. So for Richard we'll get 1 lakh 20,000. For Rizwan we'll get 80,000. Here when we calculate commission, we should be careful about the words. If after charging commission is given, we have to use the formula rate by 100 plus rate. If before charging such commission is given, we can use rate by 100. For example, 10% before charging such commission is given, we can use 10 by 100. If they gave 10% after charging such commission, we have to use the second formula, rate by 100 plus rate. For that we will use 10 by 110. Students, let me learn journal entries in relation to the adjustments. Students, let me learn adjusting and transfer entry for these adjustments. Yes, first adjustment we learned interest on capital. Second adjustment we learned partner commission. Third adjustment we learned partner salary. Then we ascertained profit. Okay, I am going to record journal entry for this. First I am going to record journal for interest on capital. Okay, for interest on capital, the adjusting entry is interest on capital account debtor, interest on capital account debtor to Richard Capital and Rizwan Capital. Interest on capital account debtor to Richard Capital and Rizwan Capital. Value 18,000, 12,000, total 10,000. Narration being interest on capital. This is adjusting entry. We have to record transfer entry. Entry is profit and loss appropriation account debtor. Profit and loss appropriation account debtor to interest on capital. Total interest on capital how much? 30,000. Narration, interest on capital transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. So we recorded adjusting entry, transfer entry for interest on capital. Then we are going to record adjusting entry and transfer entry for partner salary. As usual, like interest on capital, the entry is partner salary account debtor. Partner salary account debtor. The salary payable only to the Rizwan. So to Rizwan Capital. To Rizwan Capital. The value 50,000. Narration, partner salary. This is adjusting entry. Then we have to record transfer entry. Entry is profit and loss appropriation account debtor. Profit and loss appropriation account debtor to partner salary. Value 50,000. Narration, partner salary transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Then we are going to record adjusting entry for partner commission. As like partner salary, the entry is partner commission account debtor. Partner commission account debtor to Richard Capital, payable only to the Richard. So Richard Capital. Value 20,000. Narration, partner commission. This is adjusting entry. Then we are going to record transfer entry. Entry is profit and loss appropriation account debtor to partner commission. Value 20,000. Narration, partner commission transfer to profit and loss appropriation account. Next, for distribution of profit, we have to record entry. For that entry is profit and loss appropriation account debtor. Profit and loss appropriation account debtor to Richard Capital. To Rizwan Capital. Value 1,20,000, 80,000. Total 2 lakh. Narration, profit transfer to Richard and Rizwan capital account. Sometime interest on drawing are given. In that case, we have to record Richard capital, Rizwan capital account data to interest on drawing. Then interest on drawing account data to P&L appropriation account. Here the partners maintaining capitals under fluctuating capital method. So we recorded capital. If they're maintaining under fixed capital method, instead of capital we should specify current account. So we should record entry like this: interest on capital account data to Richard current account, Rizwan current account. Like that it will go. Students, we completed profit and loss appropriation account with commission calculation. In next class we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.